The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Viewers and subscribers, I want to say to each and every one of you, be careful of counterfeit money. Be careful of fake money. See, I have a video I'm going to present to you. I have more things I want to talk to you about, but I have a video that I'm going to present to you. In the video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that someone told her that she have a counterfeit money in her possession. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what to think about this video, and at least one harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe with me.
Something reached me this morning. I'm not pay attention to my dirty shoes. Rain fall and I can't wear good shoes in a rain sweat up, so don't pay attention to that. What I'm actually here to talk about is this here in my hand.
Listen.
This $5,000 note.
Look.
So I just come out wholesale a while ago to spend this, buy some things to cook for dinner because the rain yesterday I don't get to go out to buy anything. So I come spend this. See it? $5,000 note. And the shopkeeper going to make me know say this fake. She went to the bank with one of these a week ago, and the bank almost arrested her because this is fake. They told her that the one with the kids on the back is fake. So I have a fake $5,000 note, I've been told, and me get fuck. Me get fuck.
My people, I want to say big up to the person who made that video. Yeah, big up to the person. You see me I say? See? Now, I am not an expert when it comes on to identifying counterfeit money. No, I am not. But I do know somewhat or certain things about real money or genuine money. You understand? Yeah, I can identify some counterfeit money. But criminals I get so resourceful nowadays. It's like you have to be extra careful because I'm going to be honest with you. If someone pass off a money looking like that and if it is counterfeit, me probably wouldn't even know. May I tell you the truth? You see me? But anyways, the last time I hold a $5,000 bill in my hands, this is what it looks like. Here's a picture of the front of the $5,000 bill that I'm talking about, and here's a picture of the back of it right here. You see it? Yeah, I took that money from out of an ATM machine. Yeah, from a bank account, of course. You see me? I say, yeah, an illegal thing. But here's the thing, my people. See it? The money that I'm talking about don't look like what the female show in that video. See it? So, may I say this to each and every one, be careful of counterfeit money. Be careful. Be careful of fake money out there. Not just Jamaican money, but worldwide, may I talk about. Alright? And hope that this video will open your eyes certain ways. If your eyes not open before, you understand, just an expression, but I only hope that someone can learn something from this video and take heed. Alright? Anyways, I am going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you. Now, I remember I posted a video that shows a man sharing some of his experience of being inside of a prison somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man, and in the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he shared some of his experience of being inside of a jail. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to the things that this man said and tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that you're going to hear at least one harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Yeah, man. You them for know say jailhouse is not a nice place, is it? I mean, I tell you. The same time I just jump in a jail, so and do some here. Be a man I call me. Be a man I say, yo, can you know say famous and Moby and the youth them know me and know say, is it? Say you know say no, bam. After I do so now and I step in and I say now, me and a man say, yo, come on for that straight there, you know. This a man I go get that straight there, that a me, is it? So I do so bam and dip on the straight now, you know say that the man there for their drum. You know, the thing going on, so you think about jailhouse, you know, from your links them forward or somebody where you know, say, rate the dog there, you see it? Yeah, man, so you know, some day, you know, same night, I'm more 20 man get beaten in a one night, you know, man. Then I do so now, I see a next man forward, you know, and I sell, you know, and the man them say, where you come from? Now call a particular name and a place, but, you know, call it in place and name, Upper Street, you see? So I say, I come from Upper Street. I know say some man from this one and one man in Upper Street. A link, you see? So man them go say, yo, you hear me? You don't know Damien. The boy Damien for dead in the youth. The boy Damien hear him now with him for self now know say jailers full of crap. You know? The boy Damien a boy they know say man him in things already and a boy they you chill even no more. Kill a boy they in the youth. The boy so if I say that now, I be a lick to him. Lick. Ba 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 ba. Lick to him from all angry. You watch all angry yet? All angry I get lick from. Yes so. Boom, 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 boom. Get back from the straight. Cause you know some I believe in a beat youth and this youth and them style. You know? You wanna grow them way still, you see me? But you know you dog them do them things still, you see me? And I tell you say yo man I get beat. I see the next man come in now. Be a beating to him. Be a beating, licking in his chest, tapping in his chest. Cause I'm a level man in a one cell, you know man, you see me? Be a thump and be a thing. So you know say, this a man will just forward in his cell now. No say, you see, next man we are forward in his cell, and your response for him. Beat me for him as him forward. So you know say when one man go forward, man look wicked, you know man, the man look ugly like my father, you know the man there cutting in his face and thing and say a real killer. Yeah? Be a beating, you look man, you just get beaten. Start put be a beating upon him, tap in his chest, tell him to pick one dozen aki. Man was in charge of gun and then they come in and start pick aki. You know you have to pick aki, they mean you have to jump up and lick your wall. Bam! 1 aki. Bam! 2 aki. Bam! 3 aki. 4 aki. I hear one man over there say you want 2 dozen aki in the dog. And you want to bam! 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 When he done it and red. I have to go hard. You can't take time about 1 aki, 2 aki, 3 aki. I have to lick it. As you see a man pick aki now, one next elder I do about one forward and I said now I'm a kickback so.
My people, you hear the things that what the man say? You hear the things what the man say? Eh? Some people might find it funny, you know, but as some serious things, them they still no viewers and subscribers. That's if everything him say go exactly as to how him say it, and I'm not saying that he's lying. No, I'm not. You see me I say? But and I real still my people. Know it in a jail and know it in a prison. Can't pretty in my point of view, you know. You see me I say? You hear the man say? Man jump, aliqual, 1 aki, 2 aki, and all them foolishness there. Eh? Eh? Look, let me tell you something, man. I hope that each and every one can learn something from the things that this man said in the viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, this is some real, you know, some heavy things the man I say, really and truly. You see me I say? So basically, as one man go inside of the jail, then the man who was last in the jail or so forth attack that man or something. Like it seems as if it's like it's a never-ending thing according to the things that the man said in that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. The things that the man says still, you know, viewers and subscribers, and I'm not even trying to be funny, but and I really remind me of one video where Oliver Samuels do, you know, one video where Oliver Samuels they in a prison with 2 other persons, and it's like one of those persons who play a police officer said some things in that video, and it's like those other 2 persons think that Oliver Samuels was like some big top criminal. You see me I say think say him kill a portion of people and all them things, but it's a pity them never know at a certain amount of time throughout the video that a dog, the police said that say Oliver injure and kill. You see me I say? And then now, Oliver now start to realize that the man they fear him because of what the police they say, and Oliver start take advantage of the situation until the police go explain a little more at another part of the video what Oliver do and make them realize that dog, the police that talk about, me say a problem in that video. I don't know if you remember that video, the viewers and subscribers. That is if you see the video. I know a lot of people see that video. You know, probably a lot of you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, but on a real still, let's say the whole jailhouse thing though and the whole prison thing though, and a pretty something. So, you know, crime not pay, badness not pay. You see me? I'm more upset that each and every youth within the country of Jamaica who might get the wrong idea about the badness lifestyle, I hope so that them can learn and come to some form of realization and say this thing no pay, it no make no sense. You understand me? You see? And for hear this man come and I say these things, I respect him for that, and I big him up for that. So I say to you, yeah. So big up to each and every one, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked about in this video and those videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.